Guys, so today I'm going to be doing my July unboxing of my Boxy Charm. It actually came quite early this month, which is crazy. Normally it comes like 4 days until the next month, so that's pretty awesome. Alright, if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel, and thank you for rejoining me. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. So this is July's Boxy Charm, so let's just jump right into it. I have seen a few sneak peeks, so I kind of already know what's in it, and I know the variations of the two things that you can get, and I'm hoping for one of them, but with my luck, it's not going to be what I want. This is the thing that's got the, oh, I could already see the one that I didn't quite want is in here. That's okay, though. So, road tripping is what the theme is. So this is what the box looks like. Let's just jump into here. Okay, so this here is the Wander Beauty Volume and Curl Mascara. So honestly, I don't really need any more mascara, but that's okay. So that is what this looks like. I'm not gonna try it on. I am wearing mascara, but I will try this one because I hear some good reviews on it and I don't really know anything about it. Okay, so this actually retails for $24, which is decent for a mascara if it's a good mascara. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. I think it's kind of cool because you have this, like, it's like a kind of like a lipstick tubey or a lip gloss tube, so that's kind of fun. And then up next is this here, and this is the July Beauty. And I've seen sneak peeks for this already as well. So you take that part off and that's the brush, and then you take this part off and then your color is in here. So this is what it looks like. This color, Tantalizing Taupe. So I'm going to do I don't know if I want to do a swatch. Okay, I am going to do a swatch. That's what it looks like. I doubt that that will be anywhere near the right color for my eyebrows. Maybe there's a way to make it look a bit darker, so I could try that. So the price of this is $26, and it could be really awesome. I don't know if I'm gonna love trying to like dig into this, but maybe there's a reason for it because it's nice and compact. I don't really know, but if I'm gonna spend $26 on an eyebrow situation, I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna go to my local Sephora and buy the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which sells for the Brow Dip, which sells for $23 here in Canada. So this is also American prices. This is not Canadian prices for these, so we'll see. If you guys want to see a video on me trying this out, leave me a comment in the comments below. So then up next is this here, and I heard we were getting this and I'm super excited for this. Okay, so this is the Dr. Brandt's Needles No More Baggage Under Eye Depuffing Cream. So this is, just comes in a tiny little tube. It is clear, I think. It is not clear. It is orange. Okay, that's cool. So I have gotten some Dr. Brandt products in here before. Ooh, that is nice. Isn't too much of a smell. So that's, it kind of comes, it does go down to nothing. There's no color now. This is supposed to depuff and make your skin look youthful. So if this works, I will be super excited and will definitely purchase this. So this is a $42 under eye cream. If any of you guys have tried this and have pretty bad bags and it works or whatever, leave me your thoughts in the comments so I know if you guys love it or not. So up next is this here, and this is this is from a brand named Note, which I have not actually seen before. This is in the color Desert Rose. This is what the packaging looks like. It's nice and simple. It's kind of cute. So this is a blush, and so it comes with a mirror, and then there's that. And then I also heard that if you flip this open, you have a tiny little brush, and it has the note written on it. I will not use that brush, but that looks like it's a very nice pigment. Let's take a swatch. Oh, yeah, okay, so that's pretty blendy into my skin. It's a nice color, but it is very light. I'm gonna have to try to see if I can build up that color. It's not going to really make a difference. I might be able to use it more for just to bronze up my face a tiny bit. So the Note Cosmetics Silk Compact Blusher retails for $11.99, so that's not too bad for a blush. So there were two variations for this next item, and you could have gotten, I guess variations isn't the right wording, you could have gotten two different items. So one of them was a Tarte setting spray, and then the other one is the Crown eyeshadow palette. I was actually hoping for the setting spray because I am always on the lookout for a really amazing setting spray. So I got the Crown eyeshadow palette. These pans are huge. So this is what it looks like inside. There's a mirror, and then these are the eyeshadow pans. I didn't realize these were gonna be so big. These are insane. Like, that's a huge eyeshadow pan. That's like an inch big. Yeah, it's an inch. Okay, so let me do some swatches. So there's this lovely dark purpley color in here. Okay. Let's do a swatch of this one. This one is calling my name, so let's try that. Ooh, yeah, yeah. So this one here is the one I just swatched. So that's this one here. And then this one here that looks like there's barely any pigment to it was this one. And then this one here, which is a darker color on the outside right here, is this one here. So I think I'm gonna have to play around a little bit with them. I don't think the colors for the mattes are as great as the other ones. So let's just try another. I'm gonna try this light one. I'm just gonna do a nice, oh yeah, that's gonna look beautiful. I think the frosted colors are a lot nicer than the matte ones, but that's okay. So this palette actually retails for $29.99, which is pretty cheap compared to a lot of the other eyeshadow palettes that I own. So that's cool, but I don't know if I'm going to actually love this palette. I am definitely going to be using this one. If you guys would like to see a video on me using the eyeshadow palette, leave me a comment in the comments below and I'll make a video for you guys, just so you guys know if it's worth grabbing. I don't know where to actually buy. I'm assuming you can buy it online. So that was everything for this month's July Boxy Charm, and I'm just gonna add it all up. So everything comes to about $130, we'll just round up to $134. So that's not too bad. I am excited for this for sure, and the mascara I'm excited for. I will try this. I'm not too super excited for this one. That's okay. And then I am going to end up trying this one, but if it's not really my color, then I'm gonna give it to a friend. And I'm really kind of excited now to play with the frosted colors in this palette, so we will see what that looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! You watched my first video. It was super great. Kidding. Super sarcastic. It wasn't that great, and my editing's gotten better, and I now have like special effects and stuff like that in it, so it does take quite a bit longer to actually edit those videos compared to like my original